हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के पेपर 3 के बारे में, जो है जनवरी 2017 का। इंडेक्स इंडियाना एंड इंडेक्स टू इंडियन पीरियोडिकल लिटरेचर इज बीइंग कंपाइल्ड बाय सेंट्रल रेफरेंस लाइब्रेरी, कलकत्ता। According to OCLC research report, Know Your Community and Its Needs is the rephrasing of Wislow Ranganathan, that is second law. Identify the document which is published by H.W. Wilson, that is Sears List of Subject Heading 20th edition 2010. Open Journal System is an example of which of the following open access model, that is GOLD. When was the final ISBD consolidation edition published by IFLA? In 2011. According to S.R. Ranganathan, the canons for chain are canon of decreasing extension and modulation. In CC 6th edition, LB denotes to this system. According to AACR 2R, who will be considered for the access point of the main entry for the document entitled Adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, rewritten for young reader by Felix Sutton, is Twain Mark. Time and motion study was enunciated by the Frank and Lillian Gilbert. Which RFID component is attached to the book or item for identification, that is tag? What is RJ45? A network cable connector. SIP, the communication protocol for signaling and controlling multimedia communication, stand for the session initiation protocol. The 5th anniversary of the general release of OCLC World Share Management Service, the first over cloud-based cooperative library management system that selected 500 libraries spanning 6 continents, was celebrated on the July 1, 2016. Which of the following is a measure of dispersion, that is root mean square deviation? If R is a rank of word and F is its frequency, then F is equal to C, where C is a constant. Which law is this? That is Gibbs law. Vidwan implement is a database of experts and a network of researchers and scientists at national level. Which of the following rights are granted for literary works according to copyright law of the India? That is to use in reporting current events and to use for the purpose of research. Identify from the following the feature of tacit knowledge. A tacit knowledge is reside in the human mind and cannot be articulated. Which of the following are the examples of web-based learning and education? That is Answer Tips, Moodle and the Campus Bug. Which of the following are the two sections stated in IFLA Digital Reference Guidelines? That is B and C are correct. Option is not available here. Okay. Which of the following sites are offered by Britannica Library, a product of the Encyclopedia Britannica? That is Children, Young Adult and the Patron. Identify the key attributes of digest from the following. That is a methodically arranged compendium or summary of literary, historical, legal, scientific or other written matter, then informative in nature and contains brief description of more than one document. Which of the following communication channels are used frequently in virtual reference services? That is B and D are correct. So instant messaging and voice over IP. Identify the infinitive associative relationship of the following, that is generic and conduct. Which of the following are the components of a master database in acquisition system or module? That is vendor master and currency master. Which of the following are types of random sample? That is cluster sampling, stratified sampling and systematic sampling. Which among the following devised the critical path method? Morgan R. Walker and James E. Kelly. Which of the following database are available for scientific community free of cost? That is ERIC and PubMed. Which of the following are protocol standard? That is Z39.71 and Z39.81. Which of the following are the semantic web technology? That is SCOS and the Spark. Which of the following are the feature of operation research? That is aid in decision making and optimization of the performance. Which of the following are discrete distributions? That is geometric and the Poisson. Identify the criteria for evaluation of the qualitative research. That is objectivity of the research, reliability of the research and the validity of the research. TRAILS 9 is a process or an assessment tool for real time assessment of information literacy skill of the student and learners. A tool or process used by the school librarians to produce evidence of libraries' impact on student achievements to share with the stakeholders, and a tool funded by ILE Institute for Library and Information Literacy Education based on OK12 Library Academic Content Standard. Which of the following are the sources to look up for DOI? Central Search List and DOI Handbook. Arrange in sequence the following types of activity according to a list model of the information seeking behavior. That is chaining, browsing, differentiating and extracting. Arrange in sequence the evaluation of RAPM services. First, personal relation between librarians and readers. B. Aid reader or assistant to reader. Reference work with subject specialization. And last, long range reference service. Arrange the following class number according to CC 6th edition. First 2, then 2 OBT, then 2K and last 2N. Arrange the sequence of the following pages of disaster planning according to the guidelines principle of the IPLA. First prevention, then preparedness, then response and last recovery. Arrange the following bibliographic utilities according to the year of the origin. First OEO College Library Center, then UTLAS, then RLIN, then Washington Library Network. Arrange the steps of Big 6 Skill Information Literacy Model in correct order as given by M. Iceberg and B. Berkowitz. That is first information seeking strategies, then location and access, then evaluation and last the synthesis. Arrange the following committees according to the year of the constitution. First KP Sinha Committee, then Review Committee on Library and Information Science, then DP Chattopadhyay Committee on National Policy of Library and Information Services, and last Committee on National Network System of the University Libraries. Arrange in sequence the following component of Tom Wilson's expanded model in sequential order of their occurrence. First, context of information need, then intervening variables, then information seeking behavior, and last passive attention and search. David Ills descriptive, James Krikell's process, Tom Wilson cognitive, Alan Foster complex. A quality trilogy process, descriptive, quality management maturity grid, that is Philip B. Crosby, Tom Wilson complex, Alan Foster cognitive. Maslow Abraham hierarchy of needs, Alder for CP ERG theory, Frederick Herzberg two-factor theory, David McClelland, Acquired Needs Theory. Instagram, Facebook, FaceTime, Apple, Tumblr, Yahoo, and Picasa by the Google. Crowdfunding is the public assistance through the donation. Crowdsourcing is the resetting priorities due to financial constraints. Hathi Trust, collaborative huge collection of the digital resources. Social and cultural hub resources, that is collaborative milieu of knowledge dissemination. Portico, for the clearing house for the open resources of the US. Locus, non-profit digital preservation service for the participating libraries. Clocus, non-profit service that allows libraries to collect ink contents for the digital preservation. Chorus, preserve scholarly publication in dark archives to be accessed under the emergent situation. Match the following library automation software products with the corresponding developer. Genesis G4 by the Library Resource Management System. Verso, Autographics, ALAP, Ex Libris, Millennium, Innovative Interfaces. Match the following gateways with their corresponding subject. AHDS, Arts and Humanities. ALTIS, Hospitality, Leisure, Sports and Tourism. Nova Gate, the Forestry, Food, Veterinary and Agriculture Science. Rudy, Urban Design. Meta-analysis, quantitative methods for describing and analysis patterns of secondary communication. Conceptual analysis, to assess the extent to which concepts and issues are mentioned or not. Content analysis, the most theoretical form of desk research, clarity terms and concepts. Bibliometric analysis, quantitative data by statistical analysis. Nominal scale, represents the actual amount of variable theoretically unobtainable. Ordinal scale, involves judges to rank items into categories. Ratio scale, classifies objects or observation. Differential scale, places events in order and exhibits their relation. Impact factor, cited during the current year. SNIP, cited during the recent 2 year. Immediacy factor, duration of citation to article in a journal. Cited half-life, citation based on the number of citations in a field. A systematic sample, too large population. Stratified sample for the heterogeneous population. Cluster sample for the scattered population. Quota sample for the population specified by treaties and discretionary and inexpensive. IBID, same reference cited immediately above. LOC.CIT, same page cited. Off cited for the previously used reference. Wide for the C. Match the type of service suitable for the queries given. Alert service, let me know the forthcoming components on green libraries. Documentation service, let me have a comprehensive list of articles published on Genome in 2016. Retrospective search service, can I have details of Lok Sabha election 2009? Reference services, who won Wimbledon singles in 2015? WCAS, introduction to reference work. B. Guha, documentation and information. S. Sitarama, information consolidation and repackaging framework, methodology and planning. S.R. Ranganathan, the documentation and its pates. Literary warrant. E.W. Hulme, alternative location. H.E. Bliss, decimal fraction notation. Melville Dew, seminal mnemonics. S.R. Ranganathan. A double arrow for the C also. Diamond, For the examples of combination, square for the including, and last approximately equal to for the subdivide as. Match the following. Yes. The crisis in cataloging NUD Option headings and canons comparative study of 5 cataloging codes. S.R. Ranganathan. Our enduring values librarianship in the 21st century. Michael Gorman. Readings in library cataloging. Raymond Knox Olding. Information economy, which is based on the premise that information has economic value and as such requires an information marketplace in which such value can be exchanged, holds no good in the contemporary information age. Reason: information as a valuable resource occupies a slum dwelling in the town of economics as this economic reality runs counter to the popular and historic notion that information is free. A is true, but R is false. Libraries should serve as a local server, as a local center of the information and knowledge, and be local gateway to national and global knowledge. Reason: libraries must modernize their collection, service, and collaborate with the other institutions to develop a community-based information system. Both are true. Some modern users are quite apprehensive about virtual reference service chat. They fear negative judgments from librarians and advisors arising from the content of the chat transcript. Both are true. In recent years, the explosion of information in electronic format has placed a significant burden on the small public libraries. Reason: e-resources are expensive both in licensing cost and in the technology needed to support them, to which small public libraries can hardly afford. A is false, but R is true. In the digital environment, the university libraries in India need not build their reference collection. Reason: question point of OCLC provides a complete virtual reference management system for the subscription. A is false, but R is true. Libraries market their products and services to overcome the problems of underutilization of their information resources and the services. Reason: libraries are underutilized because they do not provide access to electronic resources. A is false, but R is true. In RDA, the rule of 3 to provide up to 3 authors is now the main instruction. Reason: RDA does not encourage access to the names of person and corporate bodies important to the user. Both are false. Application of Six Sigma in library management is a quality program that improves customers' experience and lower cost. Reason: 6 phases of Sigma are necessary in all library operations. Both are true. A library needs to generate a satisfied customer base which is supportive of library program. Reason: if a library's resources and services are measured up to customers' expectations, then repeat use cannot be ensured. A is true, but R is false. Podcasting, once an obscure method of spreading information, has become a recognized medium for distributing audio contents, be it corporate or for the personal use. Reason: podcasts, though similar to radio program, are primarily audio files which the listener can play at their convenience using devices that have become more common than portable broadcast receivers. Both are true. Open-ended questions are suitable to glean and more and candid information from the respondent seeking on a specific aspect. Reason: open-ended questions provide an opportunity to go beyond the closed option of yes or no, as it enables to express one's own ideas more candidly. Both are true. An information literate generally has the potential to determine the nature and extent of the information needed. An information literate can define and articulate the need better than an information illiterate. Both are the true. Majority of state public library act enacted from the 1990s have provision for library fund with contribution from the state and central government. Reason: library space is inadequate to manage public libraries. A is false, but R is true. Most of the LIS professionals in India are yet to recognize fully the significance of web-based OPEX service. Although some libraries in India have started to develop their own website and portals with the enhanced feature of web-based OPEX, but none of these libraries are yet to have that library page and lake predated search facility. A is true, but R is false. Thank you.